Hello and welcome to the Learn Adobe Experience Design CC course. In this lesson we're going to be taking a look at creating artboards and the property inspector in Adobe XD. So you can see the welcome screen here where we can start a new design using any one of these mobile, tablet or desktop presets. And by clicking alongside the device name on the drop-down menu we can see more preset sizes too. By simply clicking on one of these preset sizes, Adobe XD will load a new artboard with those dimensions. Alternatively, you can select custom size and specify your own width and height. Also on the right hand side is the recent files list, so anything that you've been working on recently will be listed here and can be opened with a single click. However, for this lesson we're going to be working on the iPhone 6, so let's go ahead and click that preset. So here we have our new artboard. We can double click on the text at the top and we can give this artboard a name. And with the artboard selected, on the right hand side in the property inspector we also get some options. So along the top we have some alignment options, the repeat grid option and the pathfinder options. Now these will be covered in more detail later in the course, but below that we have the dimensions of our iPhone 6 artboard, so a width of 375 pixels and a height of 667 pixels. You can change these as well as desired. We have the X and Y position of the artboard in relation to the workspace around it. And we also have the orientation, so we can change this to landscape and then back to portrait again. Underneath we have some appearance options, so we can hide the background or select the tick box to show it again, and by clicking the swatch alongside we can specify our own background color. We can do this using the sliders, or we can enter our own 6-digit hex value. Underneath we have some grid options, so we can select the tick box to turn on our grid. Alongside you can click on the swatch to adjust the opacity of the grid, so you can make it really visible or very faint, and you can also adjust the color. Now the default Adobe XD uses is 8 pixels. You can adjust this to a grid size that works for you, and you can make this new size the default, or you can select use default and it will revert back to the 8 pixel grid that we started with. Now in the toolbar on the left we have the Artboard tool, so by clicking that we see those same preset sizes on the welcome screen, and by clicking any one of these it will create a new artboard with those dimensions. And using the select tool we can again select the artboard and specify and edit these settings. You can also delete this artboard just by selecting it and hitting delete or backspace. And there we go. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next lesson.